Hello everyone, welcome to yours Academy. Today we are going to learn about Seated Chapter 2, Earliest Society Part 1 from the history. Okay, earliest people, they were lived early as 2 million years ago. We all know that. They were known as hunter-gatherers. They were hunting the wild animals and they were catching the fishes, birds, and they were also gathering the roots, fruits, nuts, seeds, leaves, eggs, etc. To do all these things, they were very alert and they needed very alert, quick, and a lot of presence of mind. So, this is the lifestyle of the earliest people. Then we all know that earliest people were moving one place to another place, so that they were also known as nomads. We all know that. Why the people were moving one place to another place? If we see that, the first point is avoid the exhausting of resources. If they stay at one place, it may exhaust, all the resources may exhaust, so that to avoid this, the earliest people were moving one place to another place. How they were moving, how the people were no food, where it is there means the men were following the animals. How the people were following the animals. Animals know where the food will be, like a food, grass, leaves, where it is. The animals naturally it is know that, so that the man were following the animals. Then the earliest people, they know very well about the plants. What are the edible plants? Okay, so that they also know the seasons. Okay, in which season which plant will bear the fruits, so that to harvest at the right time. Also, the people were moving one place to another place to harvest the fruits which is bearing in the particular season. To harvest that, the people were moving one place to another place. And we all know that all the earliest sites were located beside of the rivers. Why it is because water is very necessity for every living organism, so that the earliest people were most of the time they were living beside of the river banks. We all know that rivers are two kinds of rivers are there. One is perennial river, another one is seasonal river. Perennial river means nothing but throughout the year the river will flow. Example is Ganga and Brahmaputra. And the seasonal rivers are Kaveri, Godavari, etc. The seasonal rivers are nothing but in particular seasons. Example, rainy seasons and the winter season, the river will flow. Particular river will flow. That is known as seasonal rivers. Then next one, how do we know about this people? How do we know about the earliest people? Means archaeologists were find out the things which is used by the hunter gatherers, which is made and used by the hunter gatherers. The tools were which is made up of stone, wood and bones. Most of the time the tools were made up of stone, wood and bones. In this stone tools were survived best. Why? Because the wood and the bone tools, it may decay, so that it is decay, it will be decay, so that the stone tools were survived, so that the archaeologists were find out few stone tools. In this picture we can clearly understand that this first one is there, no, this tool, this is made early stone tool. It is known as early stone tool. Then next one is, this is second one is, it is several thousand years ago which is made. To compare to first one to second one, this is little bit small one. And third one is these were made later still. Compared to this second one to third one, this is later made. So in this little bit shape is there, we can clearly saw this. Then fourth one, Fourth one is these tools were very small and very sharp. So this is archaeologists were find out this. Then they were telling that this is made up of made about 10,000 years ago. These sharp tools, sharp small tools were made 10,000 years ago, which is declared by the archaeologist. Then this we all know that these are the natural fables. Then tools of hunter-gatherers. Archaeologists were find out, we already discussed that archaeologists were find out few tools that is made up of stone, bones and wood. These in this picture we can clearly understand this, what kind of tools they were using. Then stone tools were survived. Already we are discussed that why the stone tools were survived and how for which purpose the stone tools were used, and these tools were used by the earliest people means cut the meat, then scrape the wood and animal skin. Then this is third one, chop the fruits roots. For this purpose they were using the tools. So in this picture we can clearly understand that it is there in the textbook to uh, scrape the this roots, and this is stitch the animal skin and used as a cloth. They were using the tools. Then at these tools, the sharp tools were attached to the handle of bone and wood. In this picture we can clearly understand that how this tools were attached to the bones and wood. Okay, in this the spears and arrows they were used for the hunting, and this axe were used to cut the firewood. Then next one, see, archaeologists were find out the few places of hunter gatherers. What is that? That is known as sites, which are located near water. Then what is the meaning of site? Means these tools were find out. The earliest people used tools were find out, and pots were where the pots were find out. Then buildings, buried buildings were find out. These are known as sites. Okay, here in this Indian map we can clearly see this few examples, that is Bhimbedka, then Hansgi, then Karnool caves. These are the some of the places where earliest people were lived. In this picture what we are seeing, this is Bhimbedka. This is the buried place. This is Harappan civilization picture it is. This place, these buildings were buried. So these are the known as sites. Example of sites are this is. Then thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel, and please like the channel for more videos. Thank you so much.